Welcome to the NewsRamp Nonprofit Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Thursday evening, March 27th, 2025, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of nonprofit news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
The Giants Foundation provide 12 schools with CPR resources to improve cardiac emergency outcomes. The Giants Foundation, in partnership with the American Heart Association, recently provided CPR and AED training to representatives from 12 local schools at MetLife Stadium. Immediate CPR can double or triple a person's chance of survival during a cardiac emergency. The schools received CPR in schools kits, with some also receiving AEDs, to continue building confidence and capabilities in responding to emergencies. The Giants Foundation's efforts are part of the Smart Heart Sports Coalition, advocating for evidence-based policies to prevent fatal outcomes from cardiac arrest among high school students. Implementing these strategies nationwide can save lives and improve outcomes for student athletes.
USHBC congratulates Christina Antello on Ferox Strategies' expansion. The United States Hispanic Business Council, USHBC, congratulates Christina Antello, founding principal of Ferox Strategies, on the expansion of her bipartisan federal government relations firm. With the addition of high-profile clients like NALCAB, Fresenius Kabi, Kohl's, and the NFL, Ferox Strategies solidifies its reputation as a trusted advocate. USHBC President and CEO Javier Palomares praises Antello's expertise and commitment to excellence, highlighting her leadership in government relations. Since 2018, Ferox Strategies has been recognized for its success in policy areas, serving clients from nonprofits to Fortune 500 companies. The firm's growth reflects dedication to advocacy and innovative solutions, with a diverse team delivering big firm results. USHBC looks forward to continued collaboration with Christina Antello and Ferox Strategies in advancing policy solutions for the American economy.
Joint clinical commitment will advance integration of telehealth, value of patient care. Recent analysis by the National Health Institute shows that telehealth now accounts for 23% of all healthcare encounters nationwide, with some clinical specialties reporting virtual visit rates exceeding 50%. The American Heart Association Center for Telehealth and UNC Chapel Hill Vive are collaborating to enhance the excellence and value of virtual care. This joint effort aims to advance the integration of telehealth into patient care through evidence-based research, create resources to support integrated telehealth care models, improve professionals' knowledge through educational resources, and expand dissemination of science through networking and education. The goal is to bridge the gap between lab discoveries and real-world impact for patients and healthcare providers in urban and rural settings.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Nonprofit Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.